Hi, this is Carter from Awkward Styles. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to synchronize your items with your sales channel. Whenever you create a product template on Awkward Styles and upload it to your store, it will automatically be synced with your sales channel, no extra steps needed. However, new listings you create on your sales channel won't be instantly synchronized with Awkward Styles. To sync your products from your sales channel into your Awkward Styles store, go to your products page, then click on Synchronize Products. Now select the store you'd like to sync. Once your products are synchronized, you'll need to do SKU mapping by assigning a SKU to each product imported from your sales channel. To do this, click on Edit on any of your non-synced products. You'll be taken to the variations page. Click on Sync Product and choose the equivalent Awkward Styles product from your templates. You'll need to repeat this process for each of your product variants. Once you've SKU mapped all of your product variants, your listing will now be synced and Awkward Styles system will know exactly which product to send to production every time an order comes in from your sales channel. And that's how simple it is to sync your products with Awkward Styles. Thank you for watching and have a great day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.